We've made a few quality of life improvements to Alter, but make it easier to find things. You can now search within an open conversation, move around longer chats, and filter your conversation history. Let's take a quick look at how it all works. First, you can now search inside the conversation you already have open. Press Command F, then enter a word or phrase. Alter highlights every matching results, and you can see how many matches were found. Then you can move through them using these arrows. You can also press Command G for the next match and use Shift Command G for the previous one. This works in both Hub and the Quick Hub conversation tabs. Command F now searches the conversation in front of you, but when you want to search across your Hub history instead, use Shift Command F. There's also a faster way to move through long conversations in the Hub and the Quick Hub. This is this rail. It represents the user turns in the current chat. You can hover it to preview nearby turns and click any mark to jump directly to that message. And let's check in the Quick Hub. When searching isn't enough, you can now filter the conversations shown in the Hub sidebar. Click this icon, and from here, you can narrow your history by conversation type, workspace, action, or tag. Each group supports multiple selections. And when filters are active, the button shows how many you're using. Here. Select Reset whenever you want to see everything again. Finally, we've also made filters in the Action Editor easier to manage. It works exactly the same way. So, whether you're looking for one detail, one turn, or one conversation, Alter now gives you a faster way to get there. I hope you will like these new search and filtering tools for your next session on Alter.